Oh gosh, didn't know I was recording. All right, hello class. Um, I decided to do my um, my blog or my video upload on the Pew report. Search and email still top the list of most popular online activities. And this one caught my eye because I know in Professor Jones's class we are trying the no email experiment, and so this article was written August 9th, 2011, so it's really recent, and it still shows that email is very popular. 92% of online adults, that's adults that use the internet online, use email, and then 61% use it daily. So it's still huge, its reach is huge. I know I use it in both of my jobs. I work at a restaurant and I email my managers. I also use it to contact clients. I work with nonprofits, so I use it to contact our clients that we work with, other nonprofits. And the article also said they called it the core of online communication and online information gathering. So they're calling the search and email the core of our entire system, which is interesting because we have Twitter, we have Facebook, and Google Plus, and they're coming out with all these different ways of collaborating with people and chatting. And to call search and email the core, that just seems like a huge thing, a huge system to have to break down now to let in other ways of communication. And what else? I wanted to also point out that they conducted another survey in 2002, and it showed differences in how males and females use search and email, and also how different races like African Americans and whites use it. And there were differences in the previous survey. In 2002, men and whites used email and search more frequently than women and African Americans. So I thought that was interesting that those have now disappeared. But yeah, that's it for now. See you guys in class tomorrow.